What we're going to go through now is how to add an image to a gallery, and then how to change the label, and also how to change the link on that image. So first of all, you go to the gallery, and then you've either got the option to add images to the gallery, which we don't want. If you click on a specific image, it then comes up with the link and the caption. So click on caption first of all, and I've put coming soon in there and hit done, and coming soon's up there. And then link gives you the option to go to all the different types and styles of link. And the link that you want is website URL, and you insert the link in there, and that's what the user will go to when they click on that image. I've clicked here open a new window so that it opens a new tab up here, so your original tab stays open, but if you unclick that, it'll just take you to that image within the same tab. Then what you do is go to the particular file that you want. So where were we? Parish records, for example. And then you find the parish record that you want. So say that's baptism 1 PDF. And then what you need to do with right click, you go to share, decide on the type of link, type of user rights you want to give it. You want it to be anyone with a link can view. If it's can edit or comment, then they will be able to edit or comment. You certainly don't want them to be editing the stuff that you've got on the website. You then hit copy link, and then you go back to the Weebly site to insert the link there, right click, paste, and now the link, the view only link, is now in there. So it's as straightforward as that. I'm not going to make that change because, well, I have made the change, but now I'll get rid of it. So just click on here again and go to unlink, and then when you click on it again, you can see there's no link anymore. Okay. But what we have found is there's a little bit of a glitch in Weebly, in that sometimes if you do that, it'll still go to that link. So what you need to do is overwrite that with the new link. So put the new link in, and then it's sorted. Then after you've made the changes you want and you're happy, you just click publish. It publishes the page, and then gives you a link for the newly published page. Click on that link to check. Go to History Society, go to census information, as you can see, coming soon, and that's the new page. Now, and as I suspected, what it's done, that isn't a link. All that's done is give you a larger view of the image. So when you click on something without a link, it shows you that, but that's just a larger view of the image. It's not actually the data file. Once the link is attached, then that link will take you to the data file in a separate tab. Anyway, I hope that makes sense.